Hey everyone, this is Mike with 4x4 Shop Canada, and today we have the 8.1 Oreo Android unit for the 3 Series BMW and all other BMWs, as you can see on our website. So let's go through real quick through this unit and see what it has to offer. So it's just like the other ones that we have on our website. The old one is 4.4. This is the 8.1. We have skipped the 7.1 because of many bugs and the firmware issues that are with that unit. So we're offering the 8.1. Biggest difference between the 4.4 and 8.1 now is the 4.4 is 1 gig RAM unit, and this one is the latest one, 8.1, is 2 GB RAM and 32 GB hard drive. So as you can see here, it's just like the other one as well. It is ID6. So as you can see here, this is the newest version of that menu interface. Still the same thing: menu, navigation, Bluetooth, video, car info, browser, dashboard, file manager, DVR. We also sell a DVR kit for this car, where it mounts right by the mirror there. So it's a flush unit, looks factory. Phone link, apps, settings, and let's just go through these menus real quick. Music. Let me just turn it off. Here we go. Navigation. With navigation, it does come with many different apps, or you can install many different apps and route it to this screen right here, whichever one you like. Whatever you press here, it's going to go to that navigation or GPS app. Bluetooth, same way. Video, if you want to watch any videos, same thing. It goes full screen as well. Browser, you can obviously browse the internet, any websites you like. File manager, you can see what's on your SD cards and things like that. DVR, like I said again, we do have an optional unit for it. When you go here, you will see all the clips there and the setup options for it. Obviously there's nothing there right now, so nothing's gonna come up. Dashboard, it'll show you the BMW, so it'll show 12 liters, whatever is in your tank, temperature, parking brake, and obviously the dials work as well. Same thing with the car menu here. You'll see when the doors are open and things like that. Phone link, if you wanna show anything from your phone, it'll work that way through USB or Wi-Fi. Applications and settings. So settings, you don't need to know that. That's during the setup. We also, unlike other shops, we do offer tech support. When you buy a unit from us, you can call us anytime and we can guide you through the installation, or if you have any trouble with the setting up the unit, we can help you with that. So let's go to apps. As you can see here, just like the other units, same thing, Android interface. We have Bluetooth, dashboard, music, navigation, settings, video, ADAS 64. So let me show you again, like in the last video, that this is a real 8.1 Oreo unit. You can see right there, this is not a fake one that people sell with a fake overlay showing that it's a different Android unit. This one is real. Because we do have the latest 8.1 Android, we can run, as you can see here, Amazon Music and the latest applications that will work with it. Play Store, the usual Android features. And now let me show you how the Apple CarPlay works. So right now, right here, we have the special dongle that we sell here. It plugs into the USB, and the other end goes into the cell phone. Alright, so here we go to AutoKit, the app that we have installed, and there you go. You can control your iPhone with this. In order to go back to the original menu, you can just press the BMW icon right here, and it'll go there. So for example, we can check the messages. We can use Siri to talk to the phone to send the messages wirelessly. Here we have Google Maps, Waze. So for example, Google Maps, same thing as you'll see on your phone. Works exactly the same way. Waze, if you like, you can use it as well from your phone. You can also use the app on the Android unit as well. You can use WhatsApp and things like that. It'll also work with Android Auto. But it really depends on the version of your Android phone, how it's compatible. But most of the phones that we have tested works, so it's perfectly fine. If you want this unit, give us a call or visit us at 4x4shop.ca and order the unit. We do have the unit now. It will be shipping this week to the people that have pre-ordered. We still might have 1 or 2 days of the pre-order before we start shipping them out as well. So thank you for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.